So what we have here is a robot design and build competition. There are 7 countries involved.
One of the major problems that the students face is that they don't have a common language. And we found that the ability to draw diagrams is particularly important in breaking down those barriers.
Drawing is a universal medium of communication, not just for engineers, for everybody. We were experimenting with the tablet PCs and our other research, and we thought, let's introduce this new fun thing and see what the students do with it.
Move the wheels over another inch.
Around about there.
Yes.
The students were kind of, wow, these are fantastic.
Tablet PCs actually dramatically enhance your creativity and effectiveness because it's like paper on steroids.
Paper's really hard to keep track of. You lose a lot of it, and with tablet PC, all of the information is in one place.
It's allowed the students very early on to have a much faster dynamic of thought, to very rapidly pick up an old idea, evolve it, modify it, turn it, twist it, and now that's your current idea.
You could take each other's ideas and write directly on them, and then if there's something that you wanted to erase, you can just erase it. That same original document was always there to be editing and creating on.
You can write in equations, which normally is very difficult to do.
When we first came up with concepts, we were putting them onto the journal, and then we'd be able to share those around. Each of us would have the computers, and we could just literally pass them around the room and look at each other's ideas.
They can pass the stylus to the next person who then, very importantly, can add their addition in a different color. So it's very clear to see what changes were made. We also loaded the tablets with the solid modeling software. So they could take their rough sketch of something and very quickly create actual real engineering drawings from it that then they could print, that then they could take to the machine tools, and they could actually make their parts.
Go ahead and design a new set of gears with a better ratio and ask Bob to cut them on the water jet.
That would solve the problem, wouldn't it?
The tablet PCs came with the standard Office products, which are very helpful in terms of I have to do some quick calculations, so I use Excel, I use the journal program to sketch my ideas.
You could go from Word into Journal and then go into PowerPoint or SolidWorks, one of the engineering CAD programs, taking one of those solid models and putting it into Journal and then being able to draw on that because SolidWorks doesn't allow you to do that.
3, 2, 1, go!
I think it's going to impact the way people work in general in the office environment, and the fact that you can capture what's going on real time in a meeting is very important.
The tablet PC has the potential to really change the way people interact with, quote, their paper.
MIT sees itself as a leader in technology education, and we're particularly pleased with the tablet PC. Our experience so far is that it's an awesome device.